Hi, I'm Phoebe Greenacre, holistic therapist, yoga and meditation teacher. Today I'm going to show you 5 short exercises to help improve your eyesight and muscle strain around the eyes. So the first one is our palming. So what you do is you rub your hands together and get them really warm, and then place the palms right on the eyes. And you'll just notice that the darkness and the warmth of the hands helps to soothe and soften the eye muscles. You can leave it on as long as you need to or until the heat dissipates. And you can do that a few times to help with any tension behind the eyes. Number 2 is our blinking exercise. So what you need to do is to blink for 10 to 15 seconds, really fast, and then close your eyes. Ready? And then as your eyes are closed, the muscles get to just relax and surrender after that burst of energy. Number 3 is our zooming exercise. So you want to look at something far away in the distance and then come closer and look at something close to you. So let's look at something all the way in the distance over there and just gaze on the object that you're looking at. And then slowly bring your awareness back to something closer, and then something closer, and then something right in front of you. And this just helps us to shift our perspective. When we're looking at screens and texting and phones all day, it's really good to look out into the distance and then back in. Number 4 is our figure of 8. So you're going to take your thumb out in front of you and gaze right at the tip of the thumb. And you're going to make figure of 8 circles, keeping the arm nice and straight and taking your gaze to follow the thumb. And this way the eyeballs are rolling around in the head to help strengthen all of the different directions of our gaze. And the last one is shifting your focus. So we're going to go from left to right and up and down and then all the way around in a circle. So let's take our guys over to the left and then over to the right, all the way up to the ceiling. Try to keep the chin tucked in, all the way down to the floor. And then let's do a big circle, so all the way up, looking as high and as far as you can go, and then come back and do it on the opposite way. So all of those exercises you can repeat a couple of times and notice the difference in the eye strain and any of the tension behind your eyes. Thank you for watching these 5 exercises to improve your eyesight.